afternoon. This is Megan Lambeth, your Richmond County Tourism Director with This Week in Richmond. We are here in the Tornado building across from the Hamlet Visitor Center and beside Hamlet Main Street Park, where there is a lot of fun coming up. I'm here with Mary Davis, who is going to tell us all the fun that starts this evening.
So this evening on Hamlet Avenue at the Ballroom, we have Shagging After 5 with Sam and Lisa West, and that is from 6 to 8, and that is at 3 West Hamlet Avenue. Here at 6 o'clock in the park, we have Yoga by the Tracks with Johnny Brigman, like I said, at 6 o'clock, and she takes a small donation of $5 that she does give to charity. Tomorrow, we do have our food trucks from 11 to 7 p.m. in the Visitor Center parking lot. And in the park from 6 to 8, we have Second Chance Ministries with our third installment of the Boxcar concert series. Now, in just one short week from Saturday, we will have our Independence Day celebration here, down here at the depot. It will start at 5 p.m. We will have 9 food trucks. Some will be located here at the depot, some will be at Hamlet City Lake. Fireworks at dark. We're going to have face painting, sidewalk art chalk contest, and the Hamlet Fire Department will have their Super Sucker. So come, have some great food and fun, and celebrate the 4th.
It's perfect. Perfect Saturday event. And last year, I believe there was music.
Yes, there will also be a DJ.
Nice. So a lot is coming up here in Hamlet. You can follow these events and find out more details on social media. On Facebook, it is Visit Hamlet NC, Hamlet Depot and Museums. They are also on Instagram. And is there anywhere else that information?
I think that's it for now.
Great. Thank you for joining us today, Mary, and we will see you in Hamlet this weekend and definitely next week. Also here in Hamlet tonight, Hail Mary's Tavern will have specials. They will have specials in Rockingham at the Lounge at Godfathers. And they will also have BowTie Karaoke at Hideaway Tavern in Rockingham. On Friday, June 23rd, there will be live music downtown Rockingham at Hudson Brothers with Jonathan Robinson Music. Over at Double Vision, they will have karaoke. They will also have specials at the Lounge in Rockingham and here in Hamlet at Hail Mary's Tavern. On Saturday, June 24th, Lindsay's Tire from here in town is going to host a truck show at Rockingham Dragway. This is from 11 a.m. until 4 p.m. and you can find more details on Facebook or on the website for Rockingham Dragway, and that is at rockinghamdragway.com. And they are on Facebook and Instagram. And also Lindsay's Tire, their social media has information about the truck show posted. There will be a Pokemon card tournament here in Hamlet at Nerdy Collective. And that night there will be live music at Double Vision with a 3-piece band, Little Rusty. And here in Hamlet at Hail Mary's, they will have BowTie Karaoke, and the Lounge in Rockingham will also have drink specials. Here in Hamlet this Sunday on June 25th at Hail Mary's Tavern, they will have Patriotic Pines Paint Night. This starts at 5 p.m. and you can find out more information and register for the painting class on the social media for Hail Mary's Tavern. Also here in Hamlet at Hamlet Memorial Park, Post 49 will have softball night at 5 p.m. They have information also about this posted on their social media for American Legion Post 49 here in Hamlet. For more information on these events and other upcoming events here in Richmond County, see our website, visit richmondcounty.com. You can subscribe to our blog to receive emails when we make posts, and you can also add our Google Calendar to your calendar, and that is located on the bottom of the homepage at visitrichmondcounty.com. Follow us on Facebook, Visit Richmond County, on Instagram, Richmond Tourism, on Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Visit Richmond County NC. We hope to see you around town this weekend. If not, we will definitely see you next week.